Hola adventure amigos. Today we are in beautiful sunny Puerto Vallarta.
What's up beaches? Today we are checking out some sun, sand and surf.
Yeah, last week we checked out some beaches north of Vallarta, and this week we're checking out some beaches south of Vallarta.
These beaches like that stuff.
Yeah, today we're at beautiful Playa Las Gemelas. And yeah, I'll probably go for a quick swim, fly the drone, and then we'll catch you at the next one.
Peace. Mismaloya. We're certainly enjoying Mismaloya Beach. It's a little fishing town, but there's a couple of condos and resorts here, and you can get a boat tours, fishing, anything you want. There's a couple of restaurants, and the water is just beautiful. This is our second time here, and Chuck loves it. He loves looking for the fish and swimming. I guess you can also rent sea-doos and paddle boards and all sorts of things here. And I love watching the pelicans dive for the fish and the rocky ledges. It's quite a beautiful area. We've been enjoying our beach hopping this this trip. I think we probably spent more time at the beach than anywhere else, but that's what you do when you're on vacation. Welcome to Boca de Tomatlan, our last stop for the day before lunch.
Amigos. Alrighty, Adventure Gang, that concludes our beach day. We checked out Playa Las Gemelas, we checked out Playa Mismaloya, and we finished off here at Boca de Tomatlan.
Thanks for joining in. We'll see you in the next one.
CJ out! Thing you really gotta watch out for in Mexico. the sharks.